Sorry we couldn't meet in person. The university has left me swamped, so I think this recorded message will do fine. I hope that you are excited to be here, and congrats on getting this assistantship. One thing to keep in mind is that this grad program is very easy to follow. You have a creative project due at the end of the program, and so it will keep you on a strict path to success. You will need to complete your script at the end of the semester to stay on track. Just remember, always answer the phone. This is your number one priority. The university is pretty strict about it, so whatever happens, don't miss a call.
Hi, I'm Max, the new grad student. What's your creative project? I have a really cool idea for mine, but I'm not sure it's gonna turn out well. But, you know, they say the right what you know, right? Hello, thank you for calling the university. This is Max in the media department. What can I do for you today?
Hello, did you know that the government has changed it?
It's just a spam call. Does that happen a lot?
All the time.
Couldn't they change the number since it happens a lot?
They said that'd be too much work.
Department. Media department. Hey, do you want anything from the vending machine? Hey, do you want anything from the vending machine?
I'm a little disappointed in your creative project so far. You really should have had more done, all things considered. And I think you need to change the part about the university as well. They don't like people making them look bad. Congratulations on getting the second phone, by the way. You really shown some skills in handling of the first one, so it was only a matter of time before they gave you another phone. going to have to stop with your creative project. You haven't made those changes yet, and the university won't approve the project if you keep making them look bad. And they might even fire me if you continue. Also, you missed a phone call. You cannot do that. The university really doesn't like that. Okay, look after yourself, and remember, answer the phone.
Hello?
Hello.
These-
Did you know that Medicaid?
Sam, how did you deal with these phone calls?
What?
I asked how you dealt with all these phone calls. Hello?
Hello. Did you know that Medicaid?
It's the same person. I thought it was bad with just one phone.
Wait till they give you a third. They didn't tell you? You do good with these two, you're gonna get another one.
That's fucked up.
It's the glory of doing a good job. You get more work.
They could at least give me a raise. I feel like I'm being harassed every day. Just yesterday, I had 10 spam calls from one phone.
Why would they give you more benefits when they can just replace you with someone new in a year or two? I've seen 3 other people work at that desk, and they've all gone through the same thing you are. It's pretty bad.
I'll be different. Well, once I get rid of the phones, I can work on my project, and then I can
Get rid of the phones? Are you kidding me? You're not gonna get rid of the phones. Once you're done with the phones, then you get emails. After the emails, it's meetings, committees, new expectations, more work. They're gonna grind you to the bone until you're dead.
What a lunatic. Hello?
Hello. Did you know that Medicaid?
I really don't want to tell you this, but someone has to. You are not going to graduate at this rate. I know that making these changes aren't what you're looking for, but the best project is a finished project. You can't miss any more phone calls either, or there will be severe repercussions.
gonna graduate.
Max, are you okay?
Max, are you okay?